Hello guys, welcome back. In this new video about TikTok, we'll show you how to delete and manage selected chats and messages. Your profile page, then go to the inbox section to see all your chats. Tap the top icon and choose the chat you want to manage. To delete a selected message, hold down on it and tap the delete option at the bottom. The message will be removed only from your history, but your friend will still have it. To delete a selected chat, swipe it to the left and tap the delete option. Confirm the deletion and the chat will be removed. You cannot delete messages for your friend, only from your own side. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.